Well, hey, so we're back with another site to review. This particular site is called Elite Traffic Exchange. Okay, this is a very low cost way to promote the items that you want to be promoted. It is free to join. This is a membership site. People come in, they show their different the things that they're promoting. You do what's called surfing, and then you click an icon, and for every icon that you click correctly, you will receive credits, and then those credits can be used to show the products that you're offering. Now, this particular concept works great as a list builder, but you can use it for other things. You can, use it for many other things, but it works best as a list builder. Okay, now this here is TFix. Okay, TFix is the site administrator for this site. He is also the assistant chief operating officer. He assists Saddles. They are actually good friends. They've known each other for many years. TFix. He's in the medical profession. Actually, he's an RN by profession, but he enjoys doing many different things. Now, so as the site administrator or the site admin, TFix is responsible for the day-to-day operations of the site. Okay, he goes in and he makes sure everything is functioning properly, that people are receiving their correct rewards, and that we acknowledge the people who surf on a regular basis. And he's also responsible for promotion. This is a new site. We're just about finished with beta testing. If you would like to join, please do so. Just as it says here, it's free to join. You have certain benefits as a free member, but then there are also membership levels that you can pay for. Okay, and so, but you can come in as a free member and enjoy all of the benefits as a free member. I would like to say this. All of our team, we have a team of 11, 12 members, and they each are responsible for different things within the company. They are virtual assistants, and they have really made my life so much easier. I can remember when I first got started, I was by myself. I didn't have anyone to help me, and there wasn't enough hours in the day for me to accomplish all of the things that needed to be accomplished. Now on Thursdays we study different success principles. We have looked at some of the works of Les Brown, Zig Ziglar, Bob Proctor, Myron Golden. There are many, many, many people that we study, and success leaves clues, and so does failure. So we began to look at people that were successful, that was good at the game, and then we also took a look at the people that were not so successful. And we decided to pattern ourselves after people that were successful in this field, okay, in the field of being an online marketer. And this is one of the strategies of being successful. Success leaves clues. Now we're believing to live 120, 130 years of age in good health, eyesight not abated, climbing up a new mountain. We speak to our situations. We call those things that be as though they are. All things work together for our good. Remember, success leaves clues. You must have a positive mental attitude. There's no way around it. Take care.